Welcome to military equipment stories like Kamikaze drone boats. Kamikaze drone boats, revolutionizing warfare with autonomous precision. Kamikaze drone boats represent a revolutionary leap in the realm of warfare, reshaping the dynamics of conflict through their fusion of autonomy and precision. These unmanned vessels embody a new era of military technology, where cutting-edge innovations converge to redefine naval engagements. With their capacity for independent decision-making and lethal accuracy, Kamikaze drone boats introduce a paradigm shift in how naval warfare is conceptualized and executed. The concept of kamikaze drone boats stems from the evolution of autonomous systems and precision-guided munitions. Their design is a testament to meticulous engineering, combining compact size with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. This convergence allows these vessels to navigate intricate maritime environments and identify targets with unprecedented accuracy. The revolutionary impact of kamikaze drone boats extends to their operational versatility. Capable of conducting reconnaissance, surveillance, and offensive operations, these vessels offer a spectrum of mission profiles. Their compact form and autonomous nature grant them a distinct advantage in littoral zones and congested waterways, challenging traditional notions of naval strategies. Furthermore, the implications of kamikaze drone boats ripple beyond the tactical realm. They prompt discussions about ethical considerations, the role of humans in decision-making, and the necessity of establishing international regulations for autonomous military technology. In essence, kamikaze drone boats epitomize the relentless pursuit of technological innovation in warfare, heralding a future where precision and autonomy converge to reshape the landscape of naval engagements. Their emergence compels military strategists and policymakers to navigate the complex terrain of ethics, security, and strategic adaptation as we stand at the precipice of a new era in modern warfare. Origins and evolution. The concept of kamikaze drone boats finds its roots in the development of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and drones that have been integrated into modern warfare. As technology advanced, the idea of applying similar principles to maritime operations gained traction. The term kamikaze draws parallels to the World War II tactic of suicide attacks by Japanese pilots, reflecting the nature of these vessels as autonomous one-time use weapons. The evolution of kamikaze drone boats owes much to the miniaturization of components, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and the integration of precision-guided munitions. These vessels combine advanced sensors, such as radar, sonar, and visual recognition systems, with AI algorithms to identify and engage targets independently. Design and capabilities. Kamikaze drone boats vary in size, from small portable units to larger vessels that can carry more substantial payloads. Their design is characterized by maneuverability, stealth, and autonomy. Propulsion systems, often electric or hybrid, enable silent operation, making them difficult to detect by traditional means. The capabilities of these autonomous vessels extend beyond their physical attributes. Their AI-driven decision-making allows them to navigate complex maritime environments, adapt to changing conditions, and identify potential threats. Once a target is identified, these drone boats can carry various payloads, including explosives or guided missiles, to neutralize the threat. Operational significance. The operational significance of any military technology lies in its ability to influence and shape the course of conflicts and strategic endeavors. In the context of kamikaze drone boats, their significance is underscored by their unique capabilities and adaptable mission profiles. These unmanned vessels offer a multifaceted approach to modern warfare, enabling both offensive and defensive operations with precision and agility. One of the key operational advantages of kamikaze drone boats is their capacity to operate in diverse environments, from open waters to confined littoral zones. This flexibility allows them to perform missions that larger vessels might find challenging, such as reconnaissance in coastal areas or engaging targets in congested waterways. Their compact size and maneuverability enhance their stealth capabilities, reducing the risk of detection and interception by adversaries. Moreover, the autonomous nature of kamikaze drone boats streamlines decision-making processes, minimizing the need for real-time human intervention. This not only accelerates response times, but also reduces the exposure of human personnel to potentially dangerous situations. Their ability to identify and engage targets independently increases the effectiveness of military operations, providing a force multiplier that enhances a nation's strategic capabilities. The operational significance of kamikaze drone boats also extends to their potential to disrupt traditional naval power dynamics. These vessels introduce a level of asymmetry by challenging the dominance of larger naval vessels, allowing smaller actors to engage in precision strikes and influence the outcome of conflicts. This shift in the maritime landscape prompts military strategists to adapt their approaches, emphasizing agility, technological innovation, and a nuanced understanding of the potential threats posed by these autonomous vessels. Shifting dynamics and challenges. The emergence of kamikaze drone boats introduces a shift in the dynamics of naval warfare. Traditionally, naval power was often associated with large, heavily armed vessels capable of projecting force across the seas. However, the advent of autonomous vessels challenges this paradigm by enabling smaller, agile units to carry out precision strikes and asymmetric warfare. Yet, this shift is not without its challenges and concerns. One critical issue is the potential for accidental escalation. Autonomous vessels making rapid decisions could misinterpret signals, leading to unintended confrontations or engagements. Additionally, the lack of human judgment and empathy in decision-making raises ethical questions about the proportionality and necessity of using force. Ethical considerations and future prospects. The ethical considerations surrounding kamikaze drone boats are complex and far-reaching. The deployment of autonomous weapons that can make life or death decisions raises questions about accountability, human agency, and the consequences of removing the human element from warfare. International agreements and norms surrounding autonomous weapons are still in their infancy. The development and deployment of kamikaze drone boats, without established regulations, underscore the need for global conversations about the responsible use of autonomous military technology. The future of kamikaze drone boats lies in a delicate balance between innovation and ethics. As technology continues to advance, nations and international organizations must grapple with how to harness the benefits of autonomous precision while ensuring that the principles of proportionality, distinction, and human dignity are upheld. Conclusion. A new chapter in naval warfare. The story of kamikaze drone boats is one of technological breakthroughs, strategic adaptation, and ethical dilemmas. As these vessels navigate uncharted waters, they challenge our understanding of warfare, autonomy, and the roles of humans in conflict. The development of kamikaze drone boats beckons us to contemplate the implications of merging technology with the domain of warfare. The quest for precision, effectiveness, and security must be balanced with a commitment to preserving human values, diplomacy, and international stability. In the ever-evolving narrative of military equipment, kamikaze drone boats represent both a remarkable achievement in technological innovation and a profound reminder of the enduring complexity of the human experience in times of conflict. As we witness the dawn of this new chapter in naval warfare, we must collectively ensure that ethical considerations guide our path forward, ushering in an era where the pursuit of peace is as advanced as the tools of war. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.